have a RENPHO air purifier. So I was going through the manual and I was trying to understand this little cute lights here. Right now this is actually orange, but it says yellow. It's indicated as yellow in the manual. So anyway, this is how it looks like. It's a RENPHO. It looks like a little robot with 2 eyes. I set this to auto. I suggest you use the auto feature. So what happens, my air quality in the room right now is fair. So if this turns to blue, then that's considered good air quality. Now what happens, because I set it to auto mode, when it's yellow, fair, the fan speed changes to 2 automatically. If this turns to blue, which is considered good quality air, the fan speed will change to 1. If the light becomes red, the air quality is considered bad. So now the fan speed will automatically change to number 3. So instead of just doing this manually and pushing the button, I suggest you take advantage of the auto. And that's it. See, right now it's blue, right? See what happened. Now the RENPHO air purifier is saying that the air quality in this room is now considered good. So automatically the fan speed changed to 1. That's cool, right?